Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyiso Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a voice using a voice AI for these voiceovers. But before I show you the tool, I just want to go to our AI chat.gpt just to see the ad script we will be using to create the ad creative that we're going to be using to promote on Instagram as a reel. So as we can see here, this is the whole script. So we've already used Pixel and AliExpress to download product images and videos based on the script. So for instance, opening a shot of a smiling person with a white teeth. So we went to Pixel to get a video and images based on that. But how do we now, as you can see, in some situations you might not have the right tone or the right voice, and now you need an announcer or voiceover artist. So instead of paying somebody or waiting for a friend or somebody to have the right voice, what we are going to do right now is we're going to go onto a platform called Booking, and I'm going to show you how to get there and how it works. But what I need you to do right now is take your script and just copy it somewhere, maybe stick it to your notes, and most importantly, wherever you see announcer or voiceover artist on your chat GPT, just copy that, and that is what we're going to be copying over to voice. So let's go to voice booking right now. So on Google, you're just going to type voice booking. Say AI. And then we're going to go to AI voice generator. You click that link there and be sure to register, and it is free. You're gonna have 3 scripts or 3 attempts per month that are free. Then after that you're gonna have to pay for it. So all we want to do right now is you're gonna paste your script. So what's very important is I want you to delete some parts. So remember, everything that's mentioned here will be spoken. So you're going to delete that, and you just want to leave the announcer part, but obviously delete announcer. There we go. And be sure that you use spacing between each sentences, just to ensure that there's a break while the voiceover artist reads out the information. Now what we're going to do is choose the language. I'd say go with English from US, but obviously if you're selling in the United Kingdom, you can also try use the voice that your audience are comfortable with. So since most of my ad creative and ad material is going to be females brushing their teeth, I definitely want to choose a voice which resonates with my audience. So I'm definitely going to pick a female voice. So then I'm just going to play sample just to give you guys a look in terms of how this works.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of joe or glass of red wine, but hate the way it discolors your teeth? Look no further. Our teeth whitening products are here to save the day. Our specially formulated toothpaste and whitening TR.
So that's just a sample. So what you're going to have to do now is you click save and register, and then